What's up? Welcome back. I'm doing the most. All right, I gotta do a hair review. It's time. I'm very excited to do this. Okay. I'm gonna show you these first. It's the Bobbi Boss new locks. Okay. But they reached out to me and they said, "Can you do a hair review?" And I was like, "Sure, I could do a hair review. I could do a little video." They asked me what I wanted. It took me like a week to decide what I want because I always want to try something different. You know, can't rush into these things. So I got them and I opened them and I also got them in a different color. Yo. Yeah. It's super soft. It's soft. So I got them in blue. And your girl got them in purple. Hold up. So I have 2 packs. 2 packs of black, 2 packs of purple, 2 packs of blue. 2 packs of black, 2 packs of purple, 2 packs of blue. I blow dried my hair already out. As you can see, I don't know which method I want to put it in my hair yet. I know the front got to look super A1 so I can be able to part it to the side. And the back definitely has to look good. So the perimeter has to look like the middle, you know, we can get away with it. But the perimeter has to be really, really good. So we're going to see. These are obviously crochet. Let me open this one real quick. Look at it. It goes even lighter at the bottom. It's like pink and purple together. Ooh. It's cute. In purple. This is the way it ravels. This is the way it unravels. Opening's happening. And I take this. I take that and I go over it. So as I'm twisting it, I'm unraveling. As I'm twisting, unraveling, as I'm twisting. Unraveling as I'm twisting. I'm unraveling it, but I'm twisting. Unraveling, counterclockwise, twisting clockwise. Unraveling, counter, twisting clockwise. Goes to end. See? What up? It's the next morning. I'm gonna redo one of the twists, the one I told you about last night, but while I'm redoing that, I can basically show you how to take it down. So I was like, oh, that's dope. So this is the one I'm fixing right here. Because the way that I put it, it's just not laying the way I want it to. So we're gonna redo this one. I'm gonna show you how to take it out at the same time, because this is actually, and I tried this yesterday and I was like, oh my God, because I was a little nervous. I said, how am I gonna get these out of my head? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, is it gonna be as stressful as it went in? No. So great. Right here, I look for where my hair is, and as you see, this is blue black, but I can see my hair right here. See? Because all I did was wrap it around, and I wrapped it kind of loose. So all you do is just, you unwrap. There's a faster way. Like, see, look. Boom. 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 That's it. How easy is that unravel, yo? So all you do is unbraid this. So I'm just gonna undo it. So yeah, I think, so that means that you'll preserve the lock. Like, I'm gonna be able to use these multiple times, which makes me even more happy. Because sometimes with crochet, you just wanna cut them out because you're so annoyed. You know, where some of the hair, like crochet braiding hair, it's really hard to salvage that hair and save it. So I'm just really happy that I can use it more than once. And you can wash them. There's wash instructions in there as well for these. I don't know if I'm gonna wash my hair with them in or not, depending on how long I keep them in. But if I do, then I'll let you know and or video it, obviously. But look, yo, my hair is really long, by the way. It's getting super long. And that's the middle of my head. Okay. Oh my God. See how easy that was? And still in full tact. Wow. I'm literally obsessed with that. That shit makes me hella happy. And I'm use it again? Oh, it's a wrap. So, colors. So, we'll be back to wrap it up,